Hello, my name is Alex Seguin, CEO, co-founder of AI ML Technology Solutions. After launching a hands-on development kit for computer vision, we're excited to announce our next product in the eXeL AI ecosystem, the self-driving car. The eXeL AI car lets you use the power of machine learning to follow and track any object they have machine learning models for. We'll be rolling out the machine learning models and capabilities regularly to expand application possibilities. The car provides a great entry into computer vision and robotics. This is quickly expanding, and early hands-on experience with the technology can be very beneficial for students. With our starter kit, you can build your own course, create new commands, and execute off-the-shelf actions using your eXeL AI kit or user libraries. As part of our machine learning and robotics platform, the eXeL AI car will evolve frequently with future updates. We're working to integrate other object detection and tracking applications with our eXeL AI ecosystem. Today, getting machine learning training typically requires a 4-year bachelor's plus a 2-year master's degree. Our goal is to provide earlier access to students who begin their AI journey as early as middle school. Please join our Facebook group to get updates on the eXeL AI self-driving car and to learn more about AI careers. We look forward to getting your input to help shape the future of AI education. Help us empower the AI developers of tomorrow.